Hey, how's it going? My name is Rodrigo de Anda and this is the Salt Hall Blaster. Allow me to show you what it does and how it works. Yeah, so as you can see, it's always snowing here in Rexburg during the winter. And for this reason, I built this salt throwing machine. It's gonna help us not get up so early in the morning and be cold, because that's always such a pain. So you don't have to do that anymore. Okay, so there's 6 main components that make this machine do what it does and keep it from falling to the ice. Let me show you what they are. I have this remote control right here. So what it does, think of this as the quarterback in a football team. It sends the signal to this receiver right here and it's gonna make the whole program run. This little one right here is a sensor, it's a thermistor sensor, and what it does is that it measures temperature. And this one right here, the DS RTC module, it's basically a clock, and you probably guessed it right. Yes, it does measure the time. And don't worry, before any salt starts falling on you, you're gonna be noticed or given a warning. Let me show you what the warning is. First of all, you have this matrix, which is gonna give you like a countdown of when the motor is gonna start spinning and throwing salt. And just to make it fun, there's a little buzzer right there. There's a passive buzzer that's gonna start playing the Imperial March. We have this little motor right here. It's super powerful, so it requires a lot of voltage. For this reason, I have this relay over here, which is gonna power, or it's gonna transfer the voltage over here to the motor. Alrighty, so in this run, I'm gonna make it work with this remote control. Here we go. We hear the buzzer. There's a 3, there's a 2, there is the 1. And then we go. Alrighty, so this time, this machine is going to be running on the temperature and clock sensors. So if it's below a certain temperature, which is 85 degrees, which is what I put, which I believe this room is surely below 80 degrees. And the time is 8:24 p.m. It's gonna start running. So it should be running in any second now. Any second. There we have it. 3, 2, 1, go. Alrighty, so as you can tell, we're just pouring in the salt with a little cup. That's not the main purpose of it. The main purpose, I want it to be able to do it by itself, but since I can't really do that right now, because once I do that I have to seal it and put a lot of salt into it, but it will get there. And one last thing, it was just such a fun experience working with Arduino. I learned a lot about programming, motors, you name it, sensors. It was such an awesome experience.